I am terribly afraid of snakes. I will fight a Nicki Minaj anaconda for my nephew. I am Reese. I am not a ride or die chick. But for you, I will ride, I will rock, I will roll, baby.
Good morning, Mr. O'Day. I'm Judge Eric Morrow. This is the state all-purpose calendar that we're conducting by video. Can you raise your right hand for me, please, sir?
Raise your right hand. I swear.
All right. Do you swear or affirm the testimony you're about to give before this court be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Okay, you can put your hand down. Thank you, Mr. O'Day. Ms. Falk?
Yes, Your Honor. The state's recommendation on Mr. O'Day is 12 months served, 22 days, credit for time served, 11 days. That's going to be from July 4th to July 6th, 2024, and November 14th, 2024 until today. No further contact with Tiki Rogers and no firearms. We would like to sound for Ms. Tiki Rogers, and we do ask the defense to stipulate to venue, factual basis, and identification for the purposes of this plea. That's all for the state.
Ms. Rogers is on the line and wishes to address the court. Now is your opportunity to do so. Ms. Tiki Rogers, I see you there. If you'd like to address the court, I'll need for you to raise your right hand for me. Do you swear or affirm the testimony you're about to give before this court be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good morning, Ms. Rogers. What would you like to tell the court?
Yes, I would like to tell the court that Riso Day has impacted my life tremendously. The offense that he committed, he caused me to have to go on a 2-month leave from work. I couldn't walk. He tore my right rotator cuff. He caused me to have a scar on my left side about 3 inches long that will never heal. Reese has caused me a tremendous amount of pain, but he has brought me a tremendous amount of joy. I am not here to burden him with blame nor guilt. My nephew needs help. Everybody, including the East Point Police Department, College Park Police Department, and my uncle told me, and Georgia Crisis told me, let him hit rock bottom, but I could not. I will never leave my nephew. I will never give up on him. I love him, and he needs help. And I am a victim, but he too is a victim. It is not his fault for what his mother did to him, how she died. It is not his fault that his father is in prison because he didn't want to take his meds and he committed a crime. He doing 15 to 30. My nephew will be 23 years old on Thursday. I cannot lose him the way that I have lost all of my family. He is all I got left. I am terribly afraid of snakes. I will fight a Nicki Minaj anaconda for my nephew. I will go to the wire. I am Reese. I am not a ride or die chick. But for you, I will ride, I will rock, I will roll, baby, to save your soul. Please, Reese, I beg you to get help. You need help. You're sick. And I can't lose you like I've lost everybody else. Baby, I need you to morph like a Power Ranger, like Ranger SPD. This is your chance. And I will do anything. I am sorry, Reese, that I didn't see you as what you have become, which is a man. But beyond beard balm and dude wipes, I just don't understand. But if you talk to me, Reese, we'll work it out. And yes, I'm an old lady, like you told me, like an old lady in the shoe. But don't hit me with a shoe. I'm already black. I don't want to turn blue. And I'm saying this because TT loves you. And I need you to get better so you can help me pursue my dreams as a rapper and figure skater. Okay?
Okay,
Um,
I need
Miss
you.
Miss Rogers, thank you, but you do understand, Miss Rogers, that doing this while he is on probation, that he can have no further contact with you. So what you're saying is not going to assist him because he's not, in that regard, if he's around you. The state is asking for no further contact and to stay away from your residence, okay?
I do understand, Your
So,
Honor.
okay, so that is a condition of the probation while he is on probation.
And I understand, Your Honor, but can I just please tell him that when he talks to his doctor at the jail, if he can ask for the Saffron's patch, it will help him so he doesn't lose his personality. I need his creativity. I need his love. I love
Okay,
him.
Miss Rogers, he's going to be getting a mental health evaluation, so I'm sure that they will be able to help him in any way he can. I appreciate you being here today, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Okay, I'm sorry. I love him. He needs help.
Thank you, ma'am.
Help. So
Your
Mr. White?
sorry.
Based on that, I would ask if we could change the contact order to no further violent contact, just because I have a worry that the alleged victim is going to reach out at some point, and it may end up adversely affecting him.
Well, given what she said that he did to her, I'm not going to allow that, and I'm letting Miss Rogers know and have let her know that if she reaches out to him, she's only going to be hurting him. Okay? Because he's to have no contact unless this is modified somewhere down the road. Okay? So she's saying that she understands. So, yes, anything further, Mr. White?
No, Your Honor, we just would ask you to waive fees. He is homeless. And the FVIP is going to be onerous as it is. So we'd ask that you waive all of his fees and allow his probation at least to go non-reporting once he's completed all the requirements.
Okay. Mr. O'Day, it's my understanding in case 24 CR 004401Y, you wish to plead guilty to simple battery family violence. Is that correct?
Do you want to plead guilty to the charge?
Yes.
Oh, yeah. Okay, so Mr. Day, I'm asking you the question. So you listen to the questions that I ask you and you respond to them. It's my understanding that you wish to plead guilty to this simple battery family violence. Is that right?
Yes.
Are you under the influence of any drugs or alcohol at the present time?
No.
You've been represented by Mr. White there. Are you happy with what he's done for you?
I said I'm not.
I'm sorry.
Are you okay with those services?
Yes.
You understand that you have a right to a trial by jury on this charge, but by pleading guilty to it, you're giving up that right to a trial by jury. You understand that?
But guilty would be,
That's what he's saying. Because you're in a guilty plea, you don't get a trial.
but I would be out as soon as you would find.
Well, within the next 24 hours, like we discussed. But the question is, you don't want a trial.
I do not.
Okay.
Okay. Has anyone forced you or coerced you into pleading guilty?
Somebody forced you.
No, I don't think so.
Okay, you're doing this on your own free will?
Choice.
All right.
He said my choice.
So
Okay.
yes.
Yes, okay, I'll accept the plea as negotiated. Given his circumstance, I'm gonna have him be on probation the entire time, Mr. White, but I am going to waive his probation fees because of his circumstance. Okay?
Thank you, Your
So
Honor.
that should be able to help him out in some way. All right, and Mr. White, I take it that you're going to get him some services prior to him being released.
Our social worker spoke with him this morning, Judge, and given him information. That's all that we can do is give him the information.
No, I understand. So I just want to make sure that he gets the information. And this Laurel Ridge address, he doesn't need to go back there for anything, does he?
At the 29 ranch that you need.
All I came in with was all I,
You do need to go back.
no.
Okay. No, Judge.
Okay, so if you'll make sure, Mr. White, to explain to him that no further contact on the stay away, so that he adequately understands that. I don't want him to violate his probation. Okay.
Okay.
Good luck to you. Good luck to you, Mr. O'Day.
Thank you, Ron.